What's up guys, welcome to my first video. In this video I'm gonna teach you the HTML basics in VS Code Reader. So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. So we will first create a folder on the desktop, new folder, and we will name it as HTML demo. We will open this in VS Code, open folder, desktop, HTML demo, select folder. So in the left side we can see the first icon, that new file. Click on that, type index.html. So yeah, the next step is, as you can see, it is there. So we will start writing that exclamation doc type HTML. Oh, sorry, I forgot to keep the brackets. HTML, then again HTML. Yeah, so the next step is head, brackets head, and next, after that we will write the body, which comes the body tag. So that below the head tag we can write the title, which appears on the browser tab. So yeah, we will write it. Wait a second, we will adjust this. So yeah, title, my first web page. So yeah, Control plus save, Control plus S on the keyboard. So we will open it from Google Chrome on the from the desktop folder. So you can see that it's written on the browser tab, my first web page. So the next thing is under the body tags. In the body tag we can write the elements like h1 hashtags, h1. So under h1 we can write hello my subscribers. Yeah, exclamation. Control plus S and again reload, so you can see it's written. There are 6 types of hashtags, so I will write in and you can see the difference between them. So yeah, I will show you. Let's copy paste 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we will write H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So right, H6, H5, H4, H3, H2. So yeah. So the next we can write paragraphs. So after reloading this look like that, and you can see the difference between them as the hashtags are increasing. The the text the text size also is decreasing. So you can write paragraphs, paragraph tag, with known as P, lorem ipsum. So yeah, I will adjust this. Guys, ignore the background noise. So yeah, we will adjust this. Sorry, wait a second. So yeah, Control plus S, Control plus S, Google Chrome, reload, and yeah, you can see this, the paragraph. You can also add images to your HTML web page. So yeah, image source. We will write Google. We will take any image from the Google as Pokemon. You can take another image also. So we will just Google it, Pokemon. So yeah, I will take this. Oh, so file name is too long. We'll take another image. So yeah, this one. Yeah, we can write it, this file name, in the VS Code editor. We'll paste in HTML demo folder. So we can write it easily from the image source, country details. So yeah, you can see on this .png. So Control plus S, Google Chrome, reload. So yeah, again, see this, the Pokemon image appears on the web page. You can add height and width for the image also. So we can write height is equal to 300 pixels and width you can put 280, width 280 pixels. So yeah, let's save it and reload. So you can see difference between the image before and after. So you can also bold the paragraph first word, the like lorem. So brackets B. You can put in the lorem in between that B tags. Yes. So cut. Let's save it and reload. Yeah, the lorem is bold. You can also, if you want some text as bold, you can put the strong tags. So this is also a bold text. So yeah, control plus S, reload. So yeah, you can see this is also a bold text lorem. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So we'll meet in the next video with the more concepts of HTML. We will write registration forms, and yeah. So if you love this video, do make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.